In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install apps from the Zendesk Marketplace using the Admin Center. Let's get started by heading to your Zendesk account in a web browser. Make sure you're signed in with an administrator role, since only admins can install apps. Once you're in, open the Admin Center. This is the central place where you configure products, channels, and integrations for your workspace, so it's the right spot for managing apps. Inside the Admin Center, look for Apps and Integrations in the left navigation. Click that, then choose Channel Apps. From there, select Zendesk Marketplace. That link takes you to the official catalog of vetted apps that extend Zendesk with extra functionality, things like connecting new channels, syncing with CRMs, automating workflows, and more. On the Marketplace page, browse by category or use the search bar if you already know what you want. When you open an apps page, take a moment to review the overview and requirements. It's a good idea to check compatibility with your Zendesk plan, read recent reviews, and scan the installation notes so you know if the app needs any special permissions or post-install configuration. Some apps are free, others have trials or paid plans, and many outline exactly what data they access, which is helpful for compliance. Once you've picked the app you want, click Install. Zendesk may prompt you to confirm the account where the app will live and to set basic options, like who can use the app or where it appears. If your organization follows specific role or group-based access policies, align those settings now. Otherwise, the defaults usually work for a quick start. Then confirm the installation. You'll see the installation process run, which typically only takes a moment. When it finishes, the app will be available within your Zendesk environment. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and check again. Many apps will display a short setup guide immediately after installation. Follow any on-screen prompts to connect accounts, add tokens, or choose data scopes as required by that app. If the app doesn't need extra setup, you're good to go, and that's it. Done. You've successfully navigated to the Admin Center, opened the Zendesk Marketplace, selected your app, and completed the install. If you ever run into a permissions message or can't find the Marketplace link, confirm that you're signed in as an admin and that your product access includes the area where the app is meant to run. Otherwise, you're all set to start using your new app in Zendesk.